Dr. Michelle here with Design to Heal. I wanted to update you with the Slim N Sassy blend that I recommend and prescribe for weight loss and weight management for my patients. That has now been updated, and they have a MetaPWR system kit, and that is available on my doTERRA website, which you can find on my main website, which will be in the description, designtoheal.biz. However, you can buy each product that's in the system individually. So I will be doing future videos to break down each product that's in the MetaPWR system that, like I said, you can order individually, or you can order the whole kit. So let me show kind of an up and close here. Hopefully this will focus of the kit. And this has all 7 products here that you can purchase in the kit. Like I said, I will be breaking it down and going through each one. Today I'm just going to talk about the blend, the oil blend, which I use daily. And it's great for many things. It's in place again of Slim N Sassy. Same oil blend, but upgraded. So the MetaPWR system kit, if you get it wholesale, which all you have to do is go onto my oil website, click become a member. They've now waived the membership fee of $35, which you'll see when you check out. So that's really cool. So you can get all your products for 25%, meaning the wholesale price. So the MetaPWR system, if you want to get the whole kit, is $179 wholesale. And again, the enrollment fee is waived. I'm not sure what it goes for retail, but you can find that on my website if you just want to buy it retail, or you can reach out to me and I can order it, probably save you some shipping if you're local. Let's see, so just quickly though, the MetaPWR system includes the oil blend that I'm going to go over in the 15 milliliter bottle, MetaPWR Metabolic Blend, aka Slim N Sassy, which it used to be called, and I have a breakdown of that in my weight loss series, the Slim N Sassy Essential Oil Blend, which I prescribe to all my patients in combination with the herbal blend, the herbal light Chinese herbs that go hand in hand, I believe, really well with the weight loss, weight management program that I prescribe. And let's see, so the kit has the metabolic oil blend. It's got the beadlets. It's got the satiety, I never say that word well, the fullness gum, the chewing gum, the soft gels, the assist product, and also the MetaPWR Advantage. And again, I'm going to go through all of those in another video, but right now I want to go through the MetaPWR oil blend. This can be taken internally. This is, like I said, in place of the Slim N Sassy now. So the MetaPWR blend, it's the same oil combination as Slim N Sassy, also known as the Metabolic Blend. Hopefully this is focusing well for you. And then let me read, just if you forgot, the oils that make up the MetaPWR blend are grapefruit peel, which is safe if you've got the high blood pressure. It's usually the fruit, not the peel. So the peel is what makes up this blend. Lemon peel, peppermint plant, ginger root, and also cinnamon bark. So they actually recommend only 1 drop. However, you could take more drops than that if you wanted to. You could go like 2 to 3 drops. I like to do mine in a squirt bottle to help decrease cravings, sugar cravings that I tend to have, and just kind of help me to balance my metabolism and my diet intake. So again, this is a 15 ml bottle, which means it's going to have at least 250 to 300 drops. So that means it's going to last you quite a while. You can dose this 2 to 3 times a day or as needed if you're having a lot of cravings. I like to do mine, like I said, in a squirt bottle. So what I do is I put probably about 30 drops in here, or actually maybe not that many, excuse me, about 10 drops of the MetaPWR Blend. And then I just fill the rest with water, and it can be taken internally. So, and then what I like to do is just squirt before a meal, or if I'm having, a lot of cravings, maybe it might be mid-afternoon, evening time, so you have more of your cravings, then you would just dose accordingly. I do anywhere from 10 to 30 intakes of drops, or not drops, but squirts. This is mixed with water, so I'm not sure how many milliliters. This is just a random bottle I had, but it's really nice for dosing that way. Another popular way that I've always done my oils is I can probably get you one of these too. If you place an order, I can gift you one of these if they still have the doTERRA shot glasses. I love these. I do a lot of my oils with the shot glass. So another way to dose is you'd put your amount of drops that you want to take, say 3 drops in the shot glass, fill it up with water, and then shoot it. And then I just keep filling it up with water and making sure I get all the oil residue off, so I'm getting the full dose of the oil. So that can be done, say 30 minutes to an hour before meals, or at craving times you can do your dosing for the oils. And typically I'm prescribing 2 to 3 times a day, depending on the patient and what we're focusing on. So the main things that this blend does, it's really amazing, is it helps to actually decrease the storage of fat. So it prevents fat storage in the body. It also helps, it helps the cells not grab onto the fat, and it also helps to decrease hunger and cravings. It helps to boost energy. This is also a blend that you can put on topically, just like the Slim N Sassy, on problem areas. So say if you might have some adipose tissue around the waist, the tummy area, you'd rub that on your abdomen. It's also going to help the digestion. So you'd rub that on your tummy. If you're one that has, say, cellulite, or on the thigh areas here, you could rub it on the backs of the thighs and apply it that way. So to problem areas can be very helpful. And then the third way that you'd use it, ingesting is the number 1. Number 2 is topically. And then the third way is diffusing it in your diffuser, which I don't have mine on right now, but you can have that diffusing in your room, and that will also go right into the system and help to decrease cravings, etc. So what else it does is, again, like I said, it'll help to stabilize your energy throughout the day. And it also helps to just support overall metabolic health. So really good, especially as we're aging. Our metabolism can tend to slow down. If we get into the menopause, perimenopausal phase, our metabolic system can also slow down. So it's going to help to support lifestyle changes and help manage weight. So whether you're wanting to maintain your weight or to lose weight, it's going to help in both ways. And I also support my weight loss patients with acupuncture and also the ear seeds, which you'll find all those videos in my weight loss series. So that is your go-to instead of Slim N Sassy, because Slim N Sassy is no more, but it is the same oil makeup for the blend. And I'm not sure if I see if I have the pricing for the individual bottle for the Metabolic Blend, MetaPWR, is $29 wholesale. So if you get your wholesale account, You'll save the 25%, and I can help you with that as well if you want me to get your account set up. And then the retail is $38.67. So really an affordable weight loss product. If you look out there, you know, you never know quite what you're getting with doTERRA. You know that you're getting a certified pure therapeutic grade essential oil, plant medicine, as opposed to other weight loss products that can have all sorts of chemicals and additives to it. So this is a great way. And then, like I said, I also recommend combining it with a Chinese herbal medicine that I prescribe. It's called Herbalite, and that is in my herb store on my website, Designed to Heal. So I hope that helps to update everybody on where Slim N Sassy went and what your go-to blend is. And then here's a nice up and close glass of water. Is always good to drink with your oils, again, with the Metabolic Blend. So please reach out if you have any questions. Please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It helps to get the channel growing and get the information out to others about integrative medicine and all the natural things we can do. So I'm here for you. Please give the video a thumbs up. Hit the bell to be notified of my weekly videos. I try to get them out weekly. And you can also follow me on social media. And again, Slim N Sassy was our old go-to, and now it is called MetaPWR. So I'm here for you, everybody. Have a healthy lifestyle in the way of nutrition, movement with the body, and just staying mentally de-stressed. I'm here for you. Okay. Ciao for now. Blessings.